Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we'll be discussing about question set number 24. So this is the continuation of the question set number 16. So that's that. So here's the ER diagram for this database, exam marks DB. And yeah, you can just pause the video right here and take a look at these questions. I think you have read the question, so let me just start by answering the first question. First question suggests that we have to find the details of the student who got the lowest mark in science subject in the second term of the science. So this mark should be in second term and the class, and you have to find out about details of student and the class which he is studying in. So yeah. Okay, so let me get a new query here. Make sure you have the right connection and the right database selected. So here are the tables which you are gonna need. I think you will need all the tables. So let me just measure in all these tables. Student. Let me run this query. I want to check that if it works or not. So we have joined subject exam term. Okay, so we have joined student exam term subject, right? Join class. Class student dot class ID class dot class ID, and yeah, 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so we have joined all the 5 tables. So let me run this query to see if it works. Yeah, it works. Now we need to specify the conditions, right? So the subject should be science. So first of all, let me get all the marks of the subject science. So subject name should be science. Let me copy this from here. So and you will get all the details of the regarding this subject science. So I should only get the minimum mark. So let me run this, and you get the minimum marks of the science subject, but it is both from the first and the second term. Now you have to get the only from the second term. So now I have to specify another condition, which exam term dot term name should be second term. And if you run this, you get the exam marks, lowest exam mark written for the science subject in the second term. Let me put it that way. So now you have to get the details, the student which this mark belong to. So I need to write a subquery. So select all from student exam mark reward where this marks receive. They are marking this. Now you get all the details of that student. And yeah, now you need to get the student index number, right? Yeah, of the student. And again, write a subquery to select all the details of the student from the student table. So index number should be this, right? And yeah, you can also inner join, I think, the class table. Class on student dot class ID is to class dot class ID, right? And you get the class data. So you just get the first name, last name. It should be this last name, gender, contact number. In class table you have to get class table. Now if you run this, you get the nice sorted result. I almost forgot about the index number, so here's the index number of this student. And yeah, that answers the first question. Now the second question suggests that you have to arrange the marks of all the students studied written for the science subject on 2020 third month 15th day in ascending order. So let me start a new query, and we are going to need these joins, so I will copy this and paste it here, delete this and make it select all. So the conditions are exam term. In exam timetable, the exam date should be this this third. Okay, so we are talking about this date, right? And the subject again should be science, so subject name should be okay. Let me run this. Okay, and arrange mark of all the students. Okay, so let me get the marks only. So here are the marks which these conditions will fulfill, and now you have to order these mark in ascending order. So you get from the lowest to the highest when you put this in ascending order. So that answers the second question. The third question suggests that you have to find information of all the students who obtain marks between 40 and 80. Okay, I need to open another query here, and let me copy this. Okay, now let me copy this again, inner joins, and select all, and let me run to see if there are any errors. So this mark should be between, right? So let me first of all select the marks, all the marks between 40 and 80. So 40, 50 and 80. Okay, I almost forgot that you need to specify a where condition, where mark between 40 and 80. Yeah, now you'll see here you get all the marks between 40 and 80 with regarding all the subjects. So let me get only the mark column, and I had a subquery for this. the subject should be maths and the exam date should be this. So select all from why is in this pickup from student exam mark record where mark in, and you get all the records of the students who has these marks. And only you can write inner join, right? Inner joining I need subject table, right? Okay, I need these tables again. So yeah, again, and yeah, mark is this, and let me write the mark as you have to get the science subject, mathematics subject, right? So the subject name should be mathematics and exam term dot exam date should be this. Okay, I don't know if this is going to work. So exam date should be this. Exam date should be this. And let me put an L here. And yeah. So yeah, we have fulfilled these conditions, sorry. And then since we are not needing any of this, can just up to this point, because mark depends on the student exam mark level. So yeah, if we run this, absolutely you get an error. You have to fix this. So yeah, at line 1. Okay. So no need to join this unknown column class. Okay, so let me inner join. First of all, inner join student table, since that is only the class table that I'm using. Student exam mark record as student index number plus to student dot index number, right? Yeah, and you get a nice result of all the students who fulfill this each one of these conditions. So yeah, so now you have to get the information of all students. So first name, I can copy this from here since I'm feeling lazy, and copy this from here, and hopefully this works. Yeah, yes, it worked. So yeah, you get all the details of the student from this query. So yeah, so if you guys have any errors, like, please don't panic and just calmly find the error, and you will always find the answer for your error without any help. So yeah, and you have to order these marks by ascending order, right? Oh, okay, descending order. So order by mark column, order by student exam mark record mark column, descending, right? Descending. Okay, hopefully this works out. Yep, it worked. So to show this has worked, so let me include the mark table also. And yeah, see if it has worked out perfectly. And yeah, that wraps up our 24th question. So thank you guys for watching and hope to see you again next time. Peace.